It's time for an oil change for our Kia Sportage. And today I want to focus in on this Fumoto oil drain valve that I've had on our cars for the last couple years. Makes our oil changes go pretty easy, keeps it fairly clean. Want to see what you guys think. So they've got a safety clip that prevents the lever from becoming open or active, letting the oil out. So we're going to remove that. It's kind of hard to do it kind of backwards. It is fairly easy to remove, but it's on there securely enough to where it's not accidentally going to get activated when you're driving. So you have to remove this key, and then you're going to lift up and just move the lever over to open up the oil. This is cool. I'll even give you a slow motion replay. So far, so good. Everything still looks pretty clean down here. All right, now it's time to actually make a little bit of a mess getting the oil filter off. I got most of the oil out. I do have these on ramps just so that I have enough space so the camera, you guys can see what's going on, or else I would keep this fairly level. But I think even on the ramps, we got out quite a bit of oil. If you guys have any kind of tips to where I can keep the oil filter part just cleaner as I'm doing it, I'm not complaining. I mean, this is by far a lot easier and cleaner doing it with the Fumoto valve than before, where I had oil pretty much everywhere. Here's my mess so far. Not so bad. I think it's pretty good. So what do you all think about the Fumoto oil drain valve? I think it's pretty cool. I never knew about anything like this existing other than maybe 5 years ago. I think I saw somebody on YouTube probably using it, and I was like, I need to check that out, because I don't mind doing the oil changes. And as I get older, it's actually kind of fun to get outside and take care and maintain your vehicle, especially when you do a little research on the oil filters. You know what's going in your car. You're taking care of it to help it live a little bit longer, enjoying a little fresh air, and hopefully a couple cold beers are waiting for you in the fridge when you go back inside. I like the fact that this is a lot cleaner of a process using this, especially with the tubing. It goes directly into my waste bin. All of the product review for the Fumoto valve has been pretty positive. There hasn't been any issues that I have seen that are like notorious for leaking or causing any other issues. And you know what they always say, a little bit too much oil in your car is worse than being just a little too short. I've heard that. I don't know if that's true or not, but I understand that you don't want to just put extra oil into your car thinking that's going to, help your car out or something. But in the case that you do end up putting too much oil in your car, having a valve like this, you can just go down under the car, lift up the lever, let out a little bit of oil, and you're okay, right? So there are some extra advantages that you might not think of on the top. But if you do end up adding a little too much oil, or you need to get some of the oil out, this makes it a little easier. I'd love to hear from you guys. If you use one of the Fumoto valves, what car do you use it on? How long have you had it? Have you had any issues? And what you think about it? I mean, would you recommend this to the average person that wants to start doing their own oil changes? I think this makes it so much easier for the weekend DIYer like myself to be like, I can do this. And I can do this fairly quickly and not make a gigantic mess on the driveway. So I'd love to hear from you guys. We'll talk to you on the next one.